So if you are a Mac Mini user like me and searching for a good monitor, yeah, then this is the most affordable monitor you can get. Meet LG's QHD monitor. I said it is the best monitor because it checks out the three most important things for every Mac Mini user like me. First, amazing display. Yes, this monitor has got a 2K display. It brings your photos and videos to life with rich and vivid colors. And since we are speaking about the colors, this monitor is a 99% sRGB. For starters, this means the color reproduction is accurate. And if you like to do editing on DaVinci or Premiere Pro like me, this is a much needed feature. And on top of all these, it comes with a 100Hz refresh rate. So for people who stuck at 60Hz throughout their life like me, this display will be a huge relief. Second, connectivity. So this monitor supports a wide range of connection options including HDMI and Type-C. Yeah, you heard that right. You can just use the USB to power up the display. Every Mac Mini user is searching for this feature and ends up looking at these costly monitors. And as you can see, they are very pricey. And since we are speaking about the prices, let's talk about the third best feature of this monitor. So this monitor is quite affordable. I bought the 24-inch version for just $10,000. I mean, we all know that this price bracket is actually for the HD monitors. But with this monitor, you're literally getting a wide range of features. A 2K display, 100Hz refresh rate, 99% sRGB color accuracy, Type-C connectivity, and bezels that stretches out to its end. So do I need to say anything more to convince you to buy it? Okay, see this scratch here? Yeah, this was happened while my chair accidentally bumped onto it very hardly. I mean, I can't simulate that right now, but as you can see, the scratch is deep. In fact, at that moment, I thought the display was gone for sure, but it is perfectly working. So this actually proves that this monitor can handle some small emotional outbursts as well. I mean, at this price range, this monitor is just a steal deal. So don't wait, go and buy this before prices raise up. Use it to power your Mac Mini workflow smoothly. And if you are thinking to buy it, I will add the links in the description down below. Be sure to check them out. And if you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more genuine, awesome reviews like these.